Hey everybody, welcome back to Villains Advice. I'm Beth, and today we have a Bibbidi Box unboxing to do. If you're not familiar, Bibbidi Boxes are a monthly subscription box that comes to your house. You can pick different themes. There's Disney, Marvel, Star Wars, Harry Potter, and they're curated specifically for you. They range in price from $9.99 for stickers and decals, all the way up to $2.99 for multiple designer items. I am joined by Roscoe. Who apparently is very excited about Bibbidi Boxes. And you get a preference sheet to fill out before your first box, and you can put your favorite characters, your favorite movies, different collections you have, shirt sizes, food, allergies you might have, things that you want to get in your box, things you don't want to get in your box, and that's kind of how your Bibbidi shopper is going to put your box together. That preference sheet carries over, but every month additionally they have a wish list, and you can go through pages and pages of items and check things that you might want to see in your box to kind of put a bug in your shopper's ear. I don't usually do the wish list. I like to just have a very specific preference sheet, and Bibbidi always hits the mark. Always, always, always. I always love my Bibbidi box. So let's get into it. This is a very different box than I've gotten lately. It says Most Magical Place, super cute, and then there are Mickey balloons all over it. Very cute. It's taped. It says Fragile. Handle with care, which, you know, of course, my post office did not do. But hopefully it's not too worse for wear. All right. Tape is cut, open it up and see what's inside. So it's the bag again. This is my cheat sheet. I'll put that over here for later. Put my box out of the way. Let's see what we got this month. I love these drawstring bags. They're super, super handy. So the first thing is wrapped in paper, but I have the faintest idea what it is. Oh, I think it's a mug. Oh, it is a mug. Mike's gonna want this. I can see him stealing this from me. So this is so cool. Come on, glare. All right, look, it's a Death Star mug. How cool is that? And it's like a sphere almost. Really, really cute. And it's a good size mug. You could probably even do like soup in this. Cute. You can never have too many mugs. I am a sucker for a good mug. Oh, there's a bunch of stuff in here. I'll show you these first because I didn't mean to look at them. I just pulled them out. Oh my gosh. Well, they have that ridiculous Disney tag. But look. Oh my gosh. They are Sally ears. Look how cute. They're almost like holographic looking. I remember when this line came out because I looked at them when we were in the Disney store, and I felt like there was something wrong with my contacts because they intentionally look kind of blurry. And I loved these ears. I love the detail on them. I love that the back is different. It says Sally on the side, which I thought was a really cool detail. And one of my favorite parts is that the bow is kind of off to the side. See, I liked that. I think that's neat. Might have to start doing that when we make ears because I like that detail. That's fun. I got a t-shirt. It's a Halloween. I love Halloween, if you guys didn't know that about me. It's a really pretty, like, bright coral color. It's a spooky season. Cute. Look really cute with a black pair of shorts or a skirt. It has that adorable Mickey ghost and the Mickey bats. The K, the tail to the K is wrapped. Super, super cute. That's really cute. I love a Halloween shirt. All right, and we have one more thing. It's another jimshore. I'm like rolling in jimshores now. So this was my, I guess my June box. I'm sure that they know that it's never too early for me to start thinking about Halloween. We were just making plans earlier this week for Halloween Horror Nights, and I'm going to Mickey's Not So Scary a couple times. I didn't cut anywhere near where I was supposed to. Things. I've never seen that before. Oh, cool! I've never seen this one. That's so funny. They must have been watching and seeing how Mike was getting me all these villains, jimshores, for my new office because I got a Dr. Facilier one to add to the collection. How cool is he? He'll make me a little nervous because look how skinny his legs are. I'd be afraid he would, break. This guy, if he topples over, his legs are breaking. But he has his staff. He has a trick-or-treat skull bucket. Like, look at that. How cute is that? You have the jimshore scrolling all the way around the bottom. And then you have like a checkerboard on the back of his top hat, and then there's checkerboard on the ground. Oh, I love this. How cool. Oh, and the front has skulls with the scrolling. Look at that. I love it. This is very Halloween-y too. Like Halloween in June. I love it. All right, let's get my cheat sheet. All right, so I have my Disney Parks exclusive Nightmare Before Christmas Sally ears, which were $29.99. Bibbidi exclusive Spooky Season Comfort Colors t-shirt, orange, $28. My Star Wars episodes 1 through 4 Death Star 3D sculpted ceramic mug was $17.99. And the Disney Traditions jimshore figurine, the Shadow Man can, Dr. Facilier jimshore figure, which was $50. Villains in Halloween. And more villains. So, that's pretty much me to a T, and that's what my preference sheet says. I love villains. I love Halloween. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Let me know in the comments what your favorite item was from the box. The jimshore, the ears, the hat, the super cool mug. They never let me down. I always get a good box, I have to say. I'm gonna keep getting these until they bomb. And I just can't see that happening. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.